Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Thinkorswim for day trading stocks. First, ensure your account meets the pattern day trader rule by having at least $25,000. This allows for unlimited day trades within a 5-day period. Next, download and install the Thinkorswim desktop platform, as it offers the most robust features. Finally, log in using your brokerage credentials to begin customizing your workspace for efficient trading. Now, let's customize your workspace for maximum efficiency. Start by creating a new grid layout, ideally with 4 to 6 charts, to track various stocks simultaneously. Integrate crucial gadgets such as live news for real-time updates, level 2 for market depth, and active trader for quick order entry. Remember to set your chart timeframes to 5-minute and 1-minute intervals for detailed intraday analysis. Efficient order entry is paramount for day trading. Utilize the active trader panel for lightning-fast, one-click buying and selling of shares. This tool is invaluable for executing trades precisely when opportunities arise. Furthermore, configure hotkeys for common actions like buying at market or selling at market to save precious seconds. Practice these techniques extensively in simulated trading to build muscle memory and confidence before trading with real money. Finally, let's discuss essential indicators and scanning tools. Incorporate volume-weighted average price, or VWAP, and several moving averages onto your charts for critical price context. Develop custom scans to pinpoint stocks exhibiting high relative volume and significant volatility, which are often prime day trading candidates. Don't forget to set up price alerts and indicator crossover alerts to notify you of potential trading opportunities throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.